How to open or create key banking online banking account. If you're looking for an easy way to manage your finances online, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to walk through the process of opening a KeyBank online banking account. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to KeyBank's official website at www.key.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign up button or enroll now button at the top. This is the section where you can start process of creating your online account. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll need to select the type of account that you want to open. KeyBank offers several options like personal account or business account. You can simply choose whichever you prefer. Now what you need to do is that after you've chosen what you want to enroll, you can use your ATM or debit card to get started. You can simply enter your SSN number or personal PIN, and you can choose what you want to use, which is ATM card or credit card. Choose whichever you prefer. Simply enter the last digit of your card and enter your debit card PIN number, and also enter your SSN or personal PIN. After you've done that, simply click on next, and you need to enter some personal information like your full name, date of birth, social security number, email address, and home address. Make sure all your details are correct before continuing. Now it's time to create your online banking profile. Choose a username and password that you'll remember. You'll be asked to set up some security questions to protect your account. This step is crucial, so take your time. Now, before you can finish, you'll be asked to read and agree to KeyBank's terms and conditions. It's important to review this, but once you're ready, check the box and click on agree. For added security, KeyBank may ask you to verify your identity. This usually involves receiving a verification code via text or email. And that's it. You've successfully created your KeyBank online banking account.